With its many excellent features, the Marshall Islands has become one of the world's most famous offshore registration locations and enjoys a reputation as a cost-effective tax haven. Its registration procedures are quick, its tax system is in line with regulations, and its business operations are convenient. It has also attracted much attention because it provides conditions for offshore companies to be listed on the U.S. securities market. So, what are the advantages of registering a Marshall Islands company? 1. Policy incentives. In order to attract foreign investment, the Marshall Islands government has introduced a series of policy incentives, such as tax exemption, license exemption, and approval exemption. These preferential policies have facilitated companies to set up companies in the Marshall Islands and reduced their operating costs. 2. Tax advantages. The tax exemption policy of the Marshall Islands is similar to that of the BVI, Cayman Islands, and other islands. Offshore companies registered locally are exempt from all taxes, including income tax, value-added tax, capital gains tax, and other taxes. 3. Convenient registration. The registration procedure in the Marshall Islands is very simple. You only need to provide some basic company information and registration fees to complete the registration. In addition, the registration time in the Marshall Islands is also very fast, which provides convenience for companies to set up companies in the Marshall Islands. Marshall Islands company formation requirements. 1. Company structure. Only one applicant is required to establish an offshore Marshall company. The company name can end with limited company, such as limited, corporation, incorporated, or their abbreviations, such as Ltd, Corp, or Incorporated. The company name cannot contain trust company, securities, or bank, or other words that are considered to have similar meanings. 2. Registered capital. The standard capital is $50,000. No capital verification is required. 3. Company director. One or more directors, which can be legal entities or natural persons in any country. 4. Board secretary. It is not mandatory to appoint a secretary, but the Marshallese government recommends doing so. 5. Board meetings. Directors may hold meetings in any country or attend such meetings through proxies. 6. Equity. Directors or senior executives of the company may or may not be shareholders of the company. 7. Registered address. The registered address must be in the Marshall Islands. 8. Seal. A Marshall Islands company must have its own seal, and the format of the company's seal must be reported to the company's registration office. 9. Marshallese corporate tax. Exemption from tax on any business activities and commercial activities conducted outside the Marshall Islands. Marshall Company Registration Process. 1. You need to submit the company name you want, in English, and our company will help you check the name for free. 2. You need to provide passport copies and contact information, one or more, of shareholders and directors. 3. We will prepare a memorandum of information and an agreement for you to confirm and sign. Fax or scan are both valid. 4. You pay the fee and send the bank statement to me. 5. Receive the bill and arrange registration. Registration can be completed within 10 working days. 6. After registering, we will help you contact the bank to open an account. You can operate the account after opening it. So, the above content is an introduction to Marshall Company. If you want to own a Marshall company, you can leave us a message directly below the video. If you like our video, I hope you will like, subscribe, and comment.